how to add music to TikTok. So if you want to add music to TikTok, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application. Once you open up your TikTok, you just need to simply go with the bottom middle, which has that plus icon. And after that, you can go with the video. So you can simply record a TikTok or just go with uploads and upload something from your gallery. After that, go with next, which is on the bottom right. And now go with the right side, which has that edit option. Just simply tap on edit and you'll get this kind of interface. Now if you want to add music, then you just need to simply tap on add sound, which is on the bottom left, and then tap on add sound. Or you can also go with your voiceover if you want to create your own music to it. You can simply tap on voiceover, or if you want to add other music, then just simply tap on add sound. And here you will have your sound. So you just need to simply choose any sound that you're comfortable with. So I'll just simply choose a random song. Just tap on the song and it will be added. You can see that the song has been added, right? You can simply adjust the song and just go with the top right, which has that next option, and now tap on post, which is on the bottom right. That's how you can add music to your TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.